Hello viewers. So I went to go and get in my 2004 F150 this morning, and well, it decided to do this. So it appears that everything's pretty good. The battery, I mean, it even turned over to 200 RPM or something like that, but it decided not to start. So let's see what I can do. Okay, viewers. So after doing about an hour of research as to what it could be that's causing the truck to not start after everything looking like it should, I keep finding stuff about this thing, and as you're seeing, well, that just happened. So this fuel module thing has rusted right through, and I mean, it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna take it off, and I even learned how to lower my spare tire the first time ever. But yeah, so that doesn't look good right there. But let's see if I can find a new one and see if that was the problem, because let's hope so. All right. So I got it off the truck, and this is what it looks like. It's weathered. It wouldn't surprise me if this was original to the truck in 2004 and it's 2019 right now. So might as well replace it, see how it works. Okay, so I went up to O'Reilly's and bought this new part here. It's a fuel pump driver module, and it looks like the difference in this new one here is going to be these little bumper deals here that so it won't stick to the cross rails. So let's see if I know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I have it installed on there, and you can see like it kind of like it squishes. Those little rubber things kind of squish when they get in there, but that's how it looks. So let's see if this actually was what was causing the truck to not start. Okay, in the truck. Gonna try and start it here. Before we do, we gotta talk to him. John, buddy, Dad, this is your truck. Remember, I've been talking about Teslas, and they don't have things like fuel or fuel pumps or fuel pump control modules. So let's see. Oh, it was it. That shit worked. That is freaking remarkable. Looks like that Tesla might have to wait for a little longer. All right. Bye.